Triangle JKL is shown. Triangle DEF is congruent to triangle JKL. Which triangle could be DEF? So here we need to know that congruent triangles are the same size and the same shape. So all of the corresponding angles are congruent and all of the corresponding sides are congruent. So if we look at our figure here, JKL, we know it's congruent to DEF. So angle K is 40 degrees. Angle K is the middle letter in our naming convention of JKL. So we know that if angle K is 40 degrees, angle E also has to be 40 degrees, because when you're naming congruent triangles, the order of the letters matters. So if K is 40 degrees, its corresponding angle, which would be angle E, also has to be 40 degrees. So now let's go through and look at our choices. In triangle A here, in choice A, we don't have any angles marked at all. So A is not the answer, because angle E is not 40 degrees. In letter B, we do have a 40-degree angle, but it's not angle E. So B is not the correct answer. In C, we see that angle E is 40 degrees, which we know has to be true because angle E and angle K correspond, which means they must be congruent. So C is a possible answer, but before we circle it, let's look at D. So in choice D here, again, we do have a 40-degree angle, but it's not in the correct spot. Angle K in triangle JKL, it's the middle letter in the naming convention, corresponds with angle E in triangle DEF. When you have congruent triangles, corresponding angles are congruent. So this 40-degree angle does not correspond with angle K. So D is not the correct choice. Which means that our answer here is C. Because when you have congruent triangles, corresponding angles are congruent. Since K was 40 degrees, we knew angle E also had to be 40 degrees.